So this is all Adobe, original Adobe. You can see how the Adobe walls are corroding and being held up by trusses. Fort was officially abandoned in the 1890s, so it's been empty for more than 100 years here.
Cottontail, I guess.
See how big this fort was in its heyday. The Adobe walls are definitely showing their age, held up by guy wires and support beams. Imagine how crowded and noisy this would have been in the 1850s, 1860s. There's the Park Service repairing some of the Adobe. Probably not like they did back in the day listening to Van Halen, but nonetheless, still doing the maintenance the old-fashioned way.
It's late start.
So it's like all year long you're doing this?
Till October.
Until October. Then it gets too cold.
Yeah, and then we go home and come back next week.
All right, well, thank you.
Yeah. He just made the comment they probably didn't repair listening to Van Halen in 1960. Yeah.
Yeah.